Hey guys, today we're going to recharge the AC on this 2010 Chevy 2500HD with the gas Vortec engine. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the algorithm, it really helps out a lot. Alright, first thing we're going to do is start our vehicle. Turn our temperature knob all the way to the coldest setting. Turn our blower all the way up and turn the AC on. Turn it up, turn on the AC right there. Now we're gonna pop the hood and go under the hood. Alright, so our low pressure port is right there. So we're gonna unscrew that black cap and then connect our fitting. Just gonna reach down here, unscrew that, put your cap somewhere safe, and you're just gonna push this connector on there. You're gonna hear it snap. Just like that. You can see this system is really low. So what we're gonna do to fill it is just squeeze and hold the trigger. Oscillate the can between 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock. And you're just gonna keep the trigger squeezed like that. You just heard the clutch on the AC compressor snap. So just gonna keep squeezing the trigger to add refrigerant. So normally it appears this system has a pretty heavy leak, which is why this is at 0. When you unsqueeze the trigger, you should be getting a pressure reading here. This system seems to have a hole in it. But what you want to see, normally as you're squeezing that trigger, the pressure is going to go up until what you want to see is it holding steady up here at the top between 40 and 50 psi. As you start filling it up, what you're going to see is the clutch is going to snap on, that needle is going to draw down, and then when the clutch on the AC compressor snaps off, the needle is going to pop back up. So when the needle is popping back and forth, going up and down like that, your system is too low. You want your needle to be steady, right at like 45, 50 psi, right there at the top of the green mark. So, and again, all you do to fill it is just squeeze the trigger and hold it. Oscillate the can between 3 and 12 o'clock until your system is filled. It may take a couple cans, depends on how low your system is. But I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching.